Hello everyone, this is Ken from Scooterworks, and today we're going to show you how to install the front baskets on a Buddy. They're available in two different colors. We have the brown wicker basket, and we also have it available in black mesh. They're a little difficult to install, so we're going to show you how to install them step by step. First, we're going to begin by doing the leg shield. So let's begin by removing the front leg shield. We have 3 screws to take out. There's a large one in the front, and there's one hiding in each corner up here. Plus there's a couple body clips that snap through underneath that we'll have to pop out once we have these screws out. So take these screws and set them on the side. Okay, now that those screws have been removed, we can move down to the clips. Like so. Okay, so now that we've removed the leg shield, we're going to drill it to make access to the mounts that are on the frame underneath this panel. As you can see here, these circles here are pre-marked, and they have a center dipple, which will help you center out. And we're going to use a step drill bit. If you don't have a step drill bit like this, you can use a large drill bit down the center and use a round file to dress up the edge to get all the way out to this line. So we're going to carefully drill, nice and slow. The plastic is really soft, as you can see. So drill slowly. Check every once in a while to make sure you're in a good spot. Okay. Okay. And on this side, we kind of come back on the other side and just dress up the hole a little bit, and you can see we got a nice, neat hole, no splitting paint. So we're going to do the exact same thing to this one. Good. Okay, a little more. And as you can see, we have a nice neat hole, no cracking of the paint, no chipping. We're ready to go. The hardware should come in a nice little bag like this, and we're going to have 3 collars, 3 washers, and 3 new screws. So everything is there that we need. So let's go back to the bike and put them on. So what we've done is we've replaced the leg shield here, and we've only put the top 2 corner screws on the back side, and we've left this screw out here because we're going to use that for one of our mounts. And as you can see right here, the reason why we drilled these holes in the leg shield was to get access to this frame that's underneath. This is actually part of your scooter frame. So this basket that we're going to put on is going to be supported by the frame here and also in this front top center piece. So let's grab the basket. We're going to do the wicker basket right now. And we're also going to grab one of our screws and washers. I like to do the top one first, gives us a little flexibility and makes it easier. So we drop it through like so. We're going to grab one of our spacers, one of the black spacers like that, and drop it on. Then we're going to come over here. We're going to line it up and thread it in by hand just a few times. So we can leave it like so. Then we're going to grab another screw, and we're going to go to one of our slots that are down here, and we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to drop the slot in here. Be careful not to scratch your bike. Put the barrel on like so. And then we're going to raise it up just a little bit to where we catch the frame. Okay, that one's in. Just a couple threads, and then we're going to do this side as well. So now that we've run these down by hand and tightened them up, we're going to snug them down with a number 4 Allen key. I like to start with the top one. I always like to start them by hand so you know you're not cross-threaded. And then when you go to actually tighten them up, they go on very nicely. And then we move to the bottom ones. Snug it down like so. All right. And there you go. Buddy Wicker front basket. So that's how you install a front basket on a Buddy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And please remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.